Hey friends, this is Dennis Dean with Pranayama.com, and I'm going to teach you in 3 minutes 3 of the most important breathing techniques that come to mind. The first one is the physiological breath. That's been taught for a long time. My father taught me this breath while we were running on the beach in Del Mar. He learned it from Paul Bragg, the famous products and health enthusiast. This is quite simple. It's very powerful. You can do it anywhere, and there's a lot of scientific data behind this breath. It'll move you into a relaxed state, the parasympathetic. So the inhale is done with the nose, with the mouth closed, and the exhale is done through the mouth. So it's a double inhale through the nose. It's like this. That's the first breath, so that's going to calm you down right away. The next breath is called Ujjayi. The Ashtanga yoga practitioners use this throughout their practice. It's done with the nose and the mouth is closed. When I say it's done with the nose, it's not as if you're smelling a flower. It's done deep in the throat, and it's a breathing technique that creates a deep sound. It allows the mind to follow the sound, and being as you're really using the diaphragm in addition to the throat, esophagus area, to create the sound, it'll pull you into the body. So it pulls you into being grounded in the body. It allows the mind to follow the sound of the breath as well. Ujjayi, and this is the way it sounds. So this particular breathing technique will also create a lot of heat within the body from the inside out. So it's a great way of staying warm when it's necessary. The third most important breath that I can bring to the table right now is simply breath awareness. Wherever you're at, whatever you're doing, just spend a moment reading the breath as if it's a good book, learning to read the book as if it's a new language, and this new language is going to provide insight as to how you are and what's going on with you at any given moment. Very important meditation, if you will. Breath awareness, following the breath, listening to the breath. It may be really simple for a lot of you. They're like, what do you mean? You can see whether or not the breath is warm, cold, rough, smooth. There's a lot of different ways to read the breath, just like a sailor out on the sea learns to read the sea. They know whether or not they're close to land. They know the depth of the ocean. They can tell whether or not there's animals in the immediate area. It's a really, really important technique to learn. So there you go. We're going to be doing a lot more of that in the Pranayama Intensive coming up this year. And I hope that helps. Have a wonderful day.